YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I am on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. You guys can hit the subscribe button. That would really help the channel. Also, just got to let you guys know that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. I just talk about things that are popular in crypto. And today we're going to be talking about some XRP. As you guys can see, our total market cap coming in at $3.19 trillion. Up 1% today. Looking pretty solid. Bitcoin was at one point just a little while ago breaking above 98. But was it a fake out, guys? Are we going to see Bitcoin start breaking out? Or is Bitcoin starting to create higher lows? Oh, yikes. Looks like it just actually broke down on the 1 day. Seeing some big sell-off, big fake out happening today. But are we going to see more sell-off into the weekend, or are we going to start seeing Bitcoin start making a little bit of a recovery? Again, this was a really big sell, right? This thing really just shot up and just really took a dump, like for realsies. It shot all the way up, as a matter of fact, to 100K. So it touched 100K and then it rejected and it just dropped all the way down to 97. But that's really good, the fact that it touched 100K. I mean, this thing broke a lot of resistance. I told you guys the fact that Bitcoin has a lot of resistance at that 98K range. And if we could start rounding out, actually, this will be pretty good. That was some big sell action just now. We were hoping that we can create a cup and handle here. But again, we'll see. It might be a little soon to tell, right? This thing's still looking like it can go either way on the 1 year, and we're just too close to that 98 range. In my opinion, they might be trying to liquidate some longs. You could see we had this cup and handle pattern. It played out. It created this bull flag. You see this flagpole here with this flag. It broke up, created another flagpole with a flag. It broke up, created a giant flagpole. Maybe another flag, maybe another bull flag, another indicator that Bitcoin might have another leg up. But is it going to be more like something like this, where we just see like a little dip and then a big push up? Or are we going to see something more like this, where we start rejecting off of these ranges and then Bitcoin seeing a break up later on next couple months, maybe by like later March or closer to April or something like that? I don't know. Only time will tell. Usually we do have pullbacks early in the year. Just kind of historically, that's the way it goes. Usually February or March, we might see a pullback. And then later on in the year, we start picking up really more towards like August kind of. But again, the market is totally unpredictable and these things go any kind of way all the time. And so that's why we always talk about, again, Bitcoin first. But let's talk about some XRP today, because XRP also seen some positive price action. As a matter of fact, at the peak of today, it was up like 7%, and it is still creating higher lows, which is good on the 1 day. XRP is holding on, creating a little bit of positivity. I'm hoping that this is a turnaround, but at the same time, guys, again, if I can get a cheaper XRP, you know I'm trying to do that. As you guys could see also, we have a giant cup and handle playing out right here on XRP. And this could have some significant upside. We just talked about what that cup and handle pattern can do. We watched it play out even right here. Look, this thing created a cup and handle, and it absolutely exploded in growth. Yeah, it went totally parabolic. So also, create a cup and handle here, right? We create this cup, and then we have this pullback here, and this thing shoots up. Did reject off of some ranges. I want to see a new all-time high for XRP. If you guys think XRP is going to hit a new all-time high, let me know in the comment section. Say XRP new all-time high 2025 or something like that. But guys, again, I'm bullish on XRP. The community is growing. As you guys can see, 1.3 million people following this over on CoinMarketCap. 2 million people have this saved on their watch list. So even if they're not following it, they got it saved on their watch list. And then if you go over here on Twitter, their Twitter guys, do they have 3 million? They do. They just hit 3 million people over here on Twitter. Absolutely insane reach on Twitter. Their posts get a ton of reach. This thing is always trending. Like, it seems like every day almost XRP is trending on Twitter, making headlines. We know that Elon and Trump are great friends, so maybe there's a reason. We see that the XRP CEO is all buddy buddy with Trump, and they're on a talking basis. So again, could we see some bullish things happen with XRP with all the talk of the ETF and everything that's supposed to be happening with XRP? All the big institutions that are already getting involved in XRP. Is it possible for XRP to still hit $10? In my opinion, guys, I think XRP can still hit $10 in 2025. Do we need to see a pullback? It's possible, right? Bitcoin, it could possibly need to see a pullback, but does it need to see much of a pullback? Let's look, right? And again, I got open the stock to flow chart. This is just kind of looks at long-term indicators, and this is what I've again been following on my channel. So again, if you haven't been following my channel, follow my channel. But as you guys could see, every time we've kind of gotten in this red zone, it's been a great zone of accumulation. And that's when I was talking about Bitcoin back at like 55,000, and I was saying like around 52, stuff like that. I was saying, guys, this is like pretty much we're deep in the red right now. This is like the opportunity that I've been waiting on since like a minute now. So it's like 2020. This is where we were in 2020, guys. This is where we made a lot of money, guys, on this channel. I was talking about a lot of stuff, a lot of coins. We were early in a lot of things, including Shiba Inu, guys. We were in the first 2,000 wallets for SHIB. We caught a lot of things during this time, right? And I do think that again, a lot of these coins can absolutely go soaring again. I think that this is a similar. I've been saying that this cycle, and somebody pointed this out too in the Telegram, and I said, I'm glad you saw it. I saw it too. I feel like this cycle right here is very similar to 2017, 2018 cycle. You see how we have this, we go blue to red here, and then we go orange, and then we consolidate a little bit, right? In the orange, we go like do this up and down thing with the orange, and then we have like a leg up. We go down again, and then we just absolutely start shooting up. And then, yeah, we see a blow off top, and then that is the top of that one, and then we do not see another one for a good while. I think that is similar possibly to what we're going to see again with Bitcoin, but I don't know. I was telling you guys even down here just how early we were on the cycle I was feeling, and I was saying like, this thing could really, you know, do some amazing things. If it could be a golden zone of accumulation. Well, guys, I still feel that way about Bitcoin. If it decides it wants to break down, which it always can. Again, there's a lot of long-term indicators. Let's look at some of these other indicators too. I'm paying attention to the RSI as well. So RSI, oh, man, RSI is super important. It's our relative strength index. It lets us know when things are overbought and oversold. So you could see down here and down here. I'm paying attention again to 2017. I'm trying to see how we're like stacking up against 2017 because in my opinion, it's similar. But I'm feeling like maybe we might be somewhere like around like right here in the cycle on this. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we're somewhere like a little bit right here. But again, we need this thing to pick up. We need the buy volume to pick up on Bitcoin. If it does, I think XRP can do pretty well. Check this out also, the beam indicator. I've been checking out this too. So it tells you when we're in good long opportunities, good short opportunities, stuff like that. But you can also see every time we've been in the red, what kind of happens with the price, right? It's a lot of consolidation. After we go red, we go orange. We sometimes see a lot of consolidation, and then we see a big run up, right? Red, orange, consolidation, right? It does look like a little bit of a nasty consolidation. It could look like even like some kind of nasty head and shoulders pattern forming there. But just based off of, again, technicals and what we've used in the past, it's not looking crazy bad. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Also, our golden ratio multiplier looking like we might start seeing some positive price action, right? Like look how long we've been in this bottom level right here. Are we going to see this thing start retesting some levels? There's just so much going on, guys. It's just so much going on. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are thinking. Do you think that our cycle has already topped out? Do you think that Bitcoin still has some more upside? Again, I want to know. Look, some of these other indicators showing not as good, right? If you look at our heat map for our simple moving average, you could see every time we've been in this green zone, right? Well, well, when we go from blue to green, it's not as bad than when we go from green to blue, right? You can see we're in blue right here. We never really, oh, well, I was going to say, we never really go green, blue, green, right? But we did. We went blue, green, blue, green. So are we going to go blue, green, blue, green? Or are we going to see something more to the effect of this? Us going like weird in the screen, seeing some pumps, seeing some consolidation. Again, this is the 2017 cycle, right? Are we going to see something similar? It touched this moving average line also. Same thing. Every time we've touched this moving average, boom, in this blue, boom, we touched this moving average, boom, we touched it again. I just feel like there's more upside. I don't know, man. I don't know. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you guys what to do with your money. The market's looking volatile today, but I'm patient with it. I don't know. I'm patient with it. Something's telling me just be patient. Again, Bitcoin, you got to understand too, guys. Bitcoin just had a huge parabolic run up since November. So November, it was like at 66 and then it shot all the way up to 100K. Everybody was saying we need to see a correction. I was even saying like, correction is necessary. We need to see corrections. That's kind of how the market works. You want to start seeing prices correct. So will the price correct? How much? I don't know. Let's look at the fear greed index too. Now, this is something, the chart that I'm really also paying attention to as well. Because as you guys could see, right, every time that we kind of go into this green zone up here, it's almost like a top, right? And that's why I tell you guys, every video we watch, we talk about the fear greed index, and it's kind of looking like every green is like kind of like a top or like an indicator like that maybe we might be about to consolidate. Like this type of thing, are we going to see something similar that happened right here? Or again, is this like a top, right? It's really hard to say, right? We're starting to go again into the yellow. And so you could see kind of what has happened. You know, sometimes we do see a significant sell-off after this happens. So again, fear greed index showing something else today, man. I don't know. A lot of these long-term indicators showing different things. So it just really seems like the market is undecided. We do usually see some sell-off into the weekend. Are we going to see that happen? You know, I talk about the fact that real price action, I feel like, happens Thursday, Friday. And then the fake outs happen early in the week, but we usually see sell-off into the weekend. So the fact that we did see Bitcoin make a drop and today is Friday, are we going to see even more sell-off into the weekend? I think some people are thinking that, and that's why people are really starting to panic. But are you panicking, guys? Let me know. Also, let me know what your price predictions are for XRP. And again, guys, remember, we are on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. Every single subscribe helps. If you guys like this video, if you enjoy the type of content I make, share it also on your Twitter or whatever. It helps me out also. And guys, if you haven't yet tapped into my free Telegram, I have a free Telegram, as a matter of fact. I will share it with you on Twitter. All you got to do, again, share this video. And then if you want to join my Patreon as well, I'll leave you my Patreon. It will be in the description, pinned to the top, guys. There's a lot of great information there. A lot of 6- and 7-figure cryptocurrency holders also in that private Telegram that is attached to the exclusive Patreon group, guys. You just don't want to miss that stuff. We talk about things like airdrops, popular trending coins and stuff like that you want to have on your watch list. Again, it's not financial advice, guys. Just things to pay attention to. And also just a ton of great information, a lot of education, guys. Just education and entertainment always, guys, not financial advice. Don't ever buy anything that you see in my videos, guys. But I'll catch you in the next video. I appreciate you. Don't nobody love you. Crypto J loves you. Peace.